The air conditioning system is subject to fail at any of the several points along the way to cool your car. The evaporator coil in your dash heater box can develop mold and mildew on the coil, which produces a foul odor inside your car as air passes through the evaporator. The air conditioning system is pressurized by the condenser. It's driven by a belt on the compressor clutch. If the clutch fails, the compressor will not engage and the AC will not cool. The dryer removes moisture from the refrigerant circulating in the air conditioning system. If the desiccant in the dryer is plugged or full of moisture, the dryer can fail and the AC system can corrode from the inside, or the moisture in the AC system can freeze. The expansion valve restricts the refrigerant's flow so it returns to a gas form. If the expansion valve is stuck open, the refrigerant can flow too much and cause freezing in the system. If the expansion valve is stuck closed, no refrigerant will flow at all and the AC system will not be able to cool the air inside your car. If there is a refrigerant leak, the air will not be effectively cooled as it enters your car, and warm air will blow from the vents.